Hi there, I'm Melissa Galbraith, the fiber artist behind MCreativeJ, and today I'm going to show you the Palestrina stitch. This is a line stitch that has knots that run across it. So to start, we want to come up where our line is going to start. And now we're going to stick our needle into the fabric and pop it back up where our first knot is going to be. So just take a little bit of fabric there. And we're going to push our needle through the fabric like so. So we have a little straight stitch. Now we're going to bring our needle back down underneath that straight line going towards where our thread is coming out of the fabric. So slide that underneath. Now we're going to repeat. So we come back up to the top again and we slide our needle underneath our straight thread, but this time we want to go on the other side of where our thread is coming out of the fabric and over our working thread. And then we gently tug again, creating a little loop, which makes our knot. And there's our first knot in our Palestrina stitch. And then we move on to our next knot. So again, we bring our needle down where we want our next knot. We pop our needle back up a little bit through the fabric and we pull our needle on through, making our straight stitch. We slide our needle underneath the straight stitch from the top, and then we bring our needle up from the top again, slide it underneath that straight stitch, and go to the right of our thread coming out of the fabric and over our working thread. And as you can see, I was using my thumb to kind of push that thread over to make it easier to slide my needle in there. And then we gently tug so we get a knot. We'll do that one more time. So we bring our needle down where we want our next knot. We pop it back up, taking a little bit of fabric here. Tug, so we have a straight stitch. We slide our needle from the top underneath that straight stitch, and we repeat. So we slide our needle from the top underneath that straight stitch again, and make sure to go to the right of our thread coming out of the fabric and over our working thread, and pull that on through and tug so we get our knot. And now we want to just bring our needle back down into the fabric to end our line here. And that is our Palestrina stitch. As you can see, you can space out your knots however far you want along the line. So wherever you bring your needle down, that will be where your knot is. So I hope you have fun trying the Palestrina stitch. And for more stitch videos, be sure to visit mcreativej.com.